About India's decision on the act of terrorism. Any future act of terror will be considered an act of war against India and will be responded to accordingly, is what the government has decided. That's exactly what this muscular policy entails, that any act of terror is going to be considered as an act of war and India will respond accordingly. Manohar Keshri, my colleague, is joining us on the broadcast to give us more details about this. Manohar, अगर आप मेरी आवाज सुन पा रहे हैं? मनोहर, बड़ा निर्णय सरकार की तरफ से कि कोई भी आतंकी हमला भारत की सरजमीन पर एक युद्ध का संदेश होगा।
देखिए, बिल्कुल अभी तक की सबसे बड़ी खबर है विनीत, और भारत सरकार के टॉप सोर्सेज के मुताबिक ये निर्णय लिया गया है कि अगर भविष्य में भारत के खिलाफ कोई आतंकवादी घटना होती है या एक्शन होता है, टेररिस्ट एक्शन, तो भारत जो है उसे युद्ध की तरह लेगा और उसी आधार पर वो कार्रवाई किया जाएगा। कहने का मतलब है एक्ट ऑफ वार होगा। अगर सीधे तौर पर पाकिस्तान को धमकी दी गई है, यानी कि पाकिस्तान अगर कोई भी एक्शन लेता है और वो जो है तो एक्ट ऑफ वार कहलाएगा और भारत भी उसी तरह से उसी युद्ध की तरह जो है तो जवाब देगा। तो ये अब तक की सबसे बड़ी खबर है और भारत सरकार ने सबसे बड़ा फैसला लिया है।
Big news coming in. Sumit Peer, the government deciding that terrorism will not be tolerated and Pakistan cannot get away. India has warned that any future act of terror by Pakistan is going to be considered an act of war. They will think 10 times, Sumit, before inflicting their murderous intentions on our civilians like they did in Pahalgam. Sumit Peer.
Sir, सबसे पहले मोदी जी को प्रणाम. This is exactly what I have been saying. Become like the Israel, talk like Israel, and tell these bloody jihadis, you do one thing here, we'll come and blast the shit out of you. That is the way to go. कोई dossier नहीं देना, सीधा dose देना है. And if they don't have implications going to their homes and houses, अगर उनके जनाजे नहीं उठेंगे, मानने वाले नहीं है, because there, what is the motive of the Pakistan army? Iman, taqwa, jihad fizibillah. They are jihadis. We believe in Allah and we'll do jihad in the name of Allah. Send them on a one-way ticket to Allah as soon as possible. That is how you settle the jihadis. I compliment Modi Sarkar. I am telling you, only Modi has the dum to do it. No other Prime Minister in India would have ever courage to do it. It's only Modi who has the courage to do it. And this is what people would expect from Modi ji. And that is why he's the hero of India. That's what we do. Our armed forces have enough valor to dismantle the Pakistan. They always had, but that political leadership was missing. That statement was missing. That resolution was missing. That policy was missing. And that is what we have got today. Dismantle Pakistan. Now talk to Munir. What can you do? Koi dossier nahi dena. Koi investigation nahi. We don't want joint teams, joint investigation. And I wanted this mullah of Iran to listen also, who was coming here to say Pakistan is his kiddo brother in jihad. Or let me say, all these people of the Arabic world trying to come and say Pakistan, let's talk, let's do dossier. Baatcheet karte. No baatcheet, no dalil. And Vineet, on this occasion, I want to request with folded hands on behalf of all the millions of people who are watching this broadcast. Vineet, it is time to ban Turkish Airlines, Turkish cargo, Turkish shipping. They cannot wind up the embassy from there. No visas from Turkey to India and India to Turkey. And one message should go clear to Bollywood wala. Stop positioning Istanbul. Istanbul ko position band karo. Because we have to also teach Turkey a lesson, who has given this arms and ammunition to Pakistan, and anybody who gives arms and ammunition to Pakistan is the enemy of India. There should be a stated policy, declared policy. We'll tackle them economically and whichever way we can. This bankrupt Khalifa Erdogan is giving to another bankrupt. One bigger terrorist is coming to protect another terrorist. मतलब एक हिंदी में लिखा, यहाँ कुछ लिखा गया हमारे माथे पे, मतलब कुछ दिखा मेरे माथे पे लिखा हुआ. What do you think we are? Do you think we don't understand what you are trying to do? This is what is expected from Modi. See, this is why people love him. This is why he wins election after election. This is exactly. Vineet, God, मतलब मैं क्या बताऊं आपको, if this comes true, I will be one of the happiest days of my life, because this is how you send a message. There is no need next time, कोई investigation नहीं, कोई बातचीत नहीं होगी. We'll come and dismantle somebody of your side. If, I am saying always, if America can do Qasem Soleimani, we can do whatever we want to do. Today, Ismail Haniya, Qasem Soleimani and Hassan Nasrallah and क्या नाम है इसका, Mullah Munir, there is no difference between them. They are equally all terrorists. Only difference is he's wearing a uniform and bina dadi mooch wala. That is the only difference he is. He's a radicalized person. And
okay, all right. Sumit, we have more guests joining us on the broadcast. So joining us at this point in time is Mr. Dilip Cherian, Image Guru. Also with us on the program is Lieutenant General